everyone, and welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to be unbagging my first Ipsy glam bag for this month of February, since this is the first time that I'm actually going to unbag this. For those of you who don't know what Ipsy is a $10 subscription that you guys can get for each month, and I do believe it comes with 5 different cosmetics that you guys can personalize it. So hopefully all that information is this bag once I open it, and that way I can give more details about it as well. But also I will leave the description down below so you guys can check out the website if you guys are interested. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as soon as we're done. So let's go ahead and open these goodies and see what's inside. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these since my information is in the back now. So this is what it comes inside. I got this beautiful lipstick bag. So here I have the descriptions of what it comes inside. So this is month express your unique beauty with. So it does shows all the details of what is to be inside this bag. Alright, so it does say there's lots to love this month aside from your 5 personalized picks. So let us introduce you to the next beauty crush, Ipsy add-ons. Well, it does show a lot of things in here, like for product samples, hair, makeup, skincare, and more. To add your next glam, you can get started with $3 each. And also, we'll keep things fresh with 30+ new add-on products every single month. All brands you like Huda Beauty, Sunday Relay, Smashbox, and more. You'll never run out of things to try. And also, you get free shipping on add-ons always. So basically, this is what it says right here. And also, I will read the details of the products that is inside this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first one, which is this Hey Honey Trigger Tree Moisturizing CC Cream, and this is what it looks like. So it's like this small mini sample. So it does have all the information and details about it in here. It is a multi-purpose color correction cream that evens your skin and leaves it glowy and gorg. So it does says active moisturizing. So this is a color correction, and I think this is something that I'm gonna be using. So the next product that I have is this Lucy Beauty Precision Blending, and it's an eye brush 243. And it's a high quality vegan and cruelty free brushes. Now this one has tarpy brush head and fits right into the it fits right into the contours of your eye, perfect for adding a subtle smoky effect and definition of your eye look. So this is something new for me because I really don't have this one. So this is something that I'm gonna be using because I usually don't have a lot of brushes. So going to the third product, I have the Balm. That's what it says, or am I wrong? Yeah. The Balm Alternative Rock Volume 1 Eyeshadow. It take it for granted. Founder Marisa Chipman's products are pumped. So this is what the little eyeshadow case looked like. It's really nice and beautiful, and it's got like this signature underneath here. And this is in the shade Shadow Far. That's what it's called, Shadow Far. Alright. Now this, it does say it's a shimmery lilac with gray undertones in your go-to. It highlights pigmented, very buildable, and goes buttery smooth. So I don't know if this is something you guys would like me to try on. Has a color swatch. Let me go ahead and try to do a color swatch, or if I can go ahead and open this. Okay, there you go. So once you open it, this is what it looks like. From the inside is this nice and beautiful grayish color. So that's really nice how it comes. It looks like a small mini pixel box, and in the back it shows you like more detailed information about it. So heading in with the next cosmetic. So I have the Satin Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So this brand is founders, their sisters share a passion for introducing unique Australian botanicals into skincare. So it's a gentle exfoliator made with Australia pink clay, which detoxifies skin, tightens up pore, and majority boosts your glow. Plus, it absorbs excessive oils to nix and shine. So that is something that I am also interested in. So hopefully, all of these things, well, not hopefully, but all these things that I got, I think that I'm gonna need it, because I personally do need to do something to my face as well. So going for my last item, I got this small MAC Strobe cream in Pink Light. So it's this miniature, oh shit, can't get this straight. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So the MAC celebrates individually for all ages, races, and sexes love. The radiance boosting formula has iridescent particles that reflect light for an even tone glow, plus vitamins and an antioxidant rich cream. Tea nourish your skin from within. So that was the last item that I actually got from this beautiful lipstick bag, and from the inside it's pink. So that's basically it. I was actually expecting I don't know, something else other than this. Well, but I mean, for $10, these personalized handy glam bag you guys can get. I mean, why not? You can always use this for, you never know why you might need it, but I think I'm gonna use everything anyway. So they're really small, so hopefully for next month we get something, other things, cool items. Hopefully I see some eyeshadows, more eyeshadows other than this one that I got. I know you can personalize it, but like I said, this is the first time, so I mean, why not, right? So alright, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also I hope you guys bear with me. I know I just need to read more. Anyways, I will see you guys really soon for our next one. Bye guys.